Yo, what up guys, it's Juan, JB Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the LG Bluetooth rear speakers. So these LG Bluetooth rear speakers are going to be the SPK8S model. So what this is essentially the expansion rear speakers to the lineup of LG soundbars. So these rear speakers are sold separately. If you are purchasing the flagship model that came out this year from LG, that's going to be the SN11RG. That one comes with its own dedicated rear Bluetooth speakers that has Dolby Atmos enabled on it, basically giving you an up-firing channel on each speaker. While these are technically Bluetooth speakers, they are wired with a cable that connects to a hub back here. So the receiver itself is what connects to the actual sound bar. But again, they are fairly discreet. The wire is very minimal in design and it's not very intrusive, and you won't really notice it if you just tuck it away somewhere. So the receiver that the SPK8S speakers come with is not very intrusive at all. It's going to be pretty minimal in design as well. It does have a bit of a glossy plastic finish on the front. You do connect the cables to that, and then from there you connect it to each speaker. So what this essentially does is it provides the power for both speakers along with connecting it to the main soundbar unit. If you do have this whole setup, you can download the LG Wi-Fi app and control all the settings from the app itself. You can adjust the volume of the rear speakers, the soundbar itself. This provides you with much more customizability in terms of the sound and how you want it to essentially sound for you. Without a doubt, going to be a must if you do have one of the previous models of soundbars from LG and you aren't trying to shell out $1,500 plus or whatever the SN11RG currently costs. These are going to be a must. These will provide you with a great experience if you are coming from TV speakers to a high-end soundbar. So in terms of sound, when you do have a Dolby Atmos signal coming from, say, Voodoo, from Netflix, whatever it may be, these do provide you with a more immersive experience. When you do have a Dolby Atmos signal or a DTS-X signal, you can definitely tell the noise isolation coming from the rear sides, providing you with a better experience. So while these do get loud and provide you with a better experience, they are not obnoxiously loud. Power-wise, you're putting out about 140 watts together, so 70 watts each. And again, in terms of compatibility with previous soundbar models from LG, as long as there's a Y in the model name for that soundbar from LG, these will connect to it. So in terms of size and weight, they're not very big. So the speakers themselves are going to be about 4 to 5 inches in terms of height, and weight-wise, you're going to be looking at about 2, maybe 3 pounds. Now the speakers can be placed on a desk or a table. They do have full rubber pads on the bottom of them. It does also come with a small mounting screw on the bottom of the speaker if you do plan on putting them on stands, or if you want to put them on the walls, it has a small spot on the back to be screwed into a wall, for example. So I cannot recommend these enough, especially if you do have an LG soundbar and you're looking to up the audio experience a little bit better, whether it's for gaming, movie watching, whatever it may be. These without a question are going to get an A+ in my book. I've been very pleased, and they're also not that expensive. I purchased these for around, I think like 125, maybe like 130. So it'll be in that range somewhere depending on where you do purchase it, of course. I'm a big eBay shopper. I like finding good deals on items and whatnot. So again, try that. Hit up Amazon. You may find a good deal on that as well. So definitely pick these up if you do have an LG soundbar. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. Comment down below with any questions or comments that you might have on these speakers or any other products that you would like to see on the channel. Besides that, it's Juan at JB Reviews. I'll catch you next time.